Beach Realty. I am at a new listing here. Just wanted to show it to you. I'm actually going to turn the camera around so you can see. We are actually at the Sand Dollar. And this is a 4-bedroom. It is on a rental. We are about 2 blocks from the beach. Got a nice little sitting area here. When we walk in, everything has been redone. The flooring, nice sitting area, little dining area. So we'll go over to the bedroom here. It's got 2 nice sized beds, and we have a nice closet here. And then we have another bedroom. And they share this bathroom, which has been totally redone. And this has renters coming in as well. Another bedroom here. And then that has its own bathroom, has been redone. Like I said, this is on a rental program and it's 2 blocks from the beach. And that was the other. Nice little cubby holes here. And you have all this area here. Beautiful countertops. People think they're cutting boards. They're not. Then we have another bedroom for the kids, bunk beds. And we have a laundry room. And then outside we have the pool area. We have the grill. Guys, if you'd like any more information on this house or any of the homes that we have listed, you can give me a call, 843-231-4825, or you can check out my website at SharonShoreThing.com. Guys, have a great week. I'll talk to you soon.